Hi everyone, thanks for joining today. I'm super excited to be here. My name is Sandor. I joined the Swarm Foundation actively like a year ago, and we have been heavily working and delivering features to enable a more decentralized future for all of us. Today I will be talking about Swarm first, and after that some of the features that Swarm can give you for protecting your privacy. And finally I will present a couple of solutions that we built recently, and hopefully you will like those. Okay. As you remember, this week Vitalik has mentioned Swarm as part of the Holy Trinity of Ethereum. So Swarm has been here from the very beginning, and the team is very active now. And I would like to present you Victor, the president of the Swarm Foundation, who we have to thank a lot. And I would like you to give a round of applause to him for his dedication and protecting the cypherpunk values. He is a role model to all of us in Ethereum Foundation. So what is Swarm? We like to refer to it as the backend of Web3. Why? Because we can build fully decentralized solutions on that. It's full stack decentralized. We built websites, applications that doesn't use any centralized servers, and I will present you at the end. The network itself is an open source solution. You can verify the code itself, and it's very transparent. You can see how everybody is treated equally in the network, and we guarantees equal treatment of participants. The main building block of the network is the B node. Currently, the easiest way to interact with the network is to install the Swarm desktop application, and with that you can upload, download files in a very easy way. We are working on a browser-based solution that would not require any installation from you for the future, but right now it's in progress. Also, I'd like to draw your attention to running nodes, because this is a very important part of the network, and being able to provide a geographically distributed network, it would be great if you could also start your own node, your own full node, which would participate in data storage and also transaction of messages. Swarm is a self-sustaining infrastructure. It has a built-in incentive system, so if you run your node, you will get rewarded, but hopefully you would not only participate for the financial reward, but also to support the decentralized features and some of the privacy features that we are here to talk about today. So with Swarm, you can interact in an anonymous way. If you upload your file, it will be chopped up into small chunks and distributed all over the network. And this enables or provides a plausible deniability to the network operators. So as a network operator, you don't know the contents of others that are uploaded. You don't see that. Also, another guarantee is the forwarding cadamlia used in the network that will not reveal the originator of the data. Once your data is uploaded, you will get integrity protection on the network, which means that your content using by using algorithms, hashing algorithms, your content will get a hash code, and if you modify your content, the hash will change, and this hash is serving a second purpose in the network, which is basically the address of your content. So once you go to the Swarm network, use your hash, you can be sure that this data has not been tampered with, and you are getting the data that you uploaded and that you expect. The system is also censorship resistant by design. It can host websites that is not cannot be modified. Nobody else is able to modify your data. You own your data, and you also control it. How can you control it? You can upload it if you want to make it public and make it available publicly, or you can encrypt it and share the keys with trusted parties, with your friends. And also, you can use a recently built feature called ACT, or access control, that will add encryption to, that will encrypt your content. It gets uploaded to Swarm, and it will allow you to create a list of public keys that represent your friends, and then these friends identified on the network by this public key can access the data. So the data is distributed, protected, and always yours on Swarm. Now, I will show you a couple of examples that we built on Swarm this year. One of them is called Bport, which is the easiest way to interact with the network without installation today. It allows you to upload and disappear if you want, or come back to it and see how long your storage is provided for you. You are welcome to check it out using this QR code. And the next thing that we built in the AI space, we provided an MCP server. Oh yeah, it's working. Okay, so we built an MCP server that allows agents, AI agents, to upload, retrieve data to and from Swarm, and also share these between themselves. We have a decentralized video streaming, live streaming, that after the live stream is over, stays there for playing afterwards as well. The next thing is full stack decentralized application used on conferences. Hopefully this will be used more on Web3 conferences to use a decentralized solution on those events that also allows you group chat to discuss the topics presented on those events. You can also have a look if you like. And for me, one of my favorite features that we are releasing soon, it's being tested, most probably it's going to be live in January, is the file manager. This will really enable all of us to upload files, folders, and manage it very easily in Swarm in a decentralized way. Now, what else can you build? For example, Swarm could be used to build a zero-leak peer-to-peer messaging system, or a data marketplace for AI agents. Here, I have to mention two features, which is data provenance and access control, which is super unique to Swarm. And again, I would like to encourage you to be part of the network, run your own node, and support Swarm so that we can together build a self-sovereign digital society. And finally, I would like to invite you to an event today. Right after this talk, we're going to be heading to a side event where you can please read the QR code, where you can learn how to launch your own AI agent on Swarm. So that was it. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.